Good evening. It's time to do a compost edition. This is lemon wedges, peelings from sweet potatoes and regular potatoes, tea, and eggshells. Now, I bought something different to try with my composter, and I'm hoping this will work. Dr. Earth's Premium Simple Natural Intelligent Compost Starter helps to break down garden waste. It's a 3-pound bag. So, let's take a look at the composter. Be right back. Okay, this is bucket 1. Now, we got to about 75, 78 degrees. This is sitting just a little above 75. Of course, it's going to go down when I'm out here. And I'm not sitting in my chair because of the fact that it broke. This is damp. Got a lot of paper in it. So I did bring paper out, but I'm thinking I'm not going to have to add any paper to it. I'm just going to add the starter to it. I need to grab the spoon out of the other bucket. Be right back. Okay. I took out a bunch of the dirt right there. Now, with this compost starter stuff, it says that you're supposed to put paper in first, then the vegetable matter, then the compost starter. So, seeing that we've got an abundance of paper in here, probably put too much in. I'm just going to add vegetable matter and some of the starter. Be right back. Okay, that's about half of the vegetable matter. I'm going to grab my tin cup for the starter. I'll be right back. Okay, this is the compost starter. Kind of looks like bunny food. I'm going to add that to the top of this. Since you're supposed to use a cup per inch, but because this is so small, the composter, I'm kind of guessing by half a cup. Get it stirred in. Yeah, come on, Pixar. Okay, that's better. Get it stirred in. Make sure to go all the way down deep. Kind of break up any clumps. This will not work in the composter. This is a pottery shard. Okay, kind of broke it up a little bit. I'm going to add the rest of the dirt, and I'll be right back. Okay, the rest of the dirt is back in. Ugh. Give it a stir. Bring some of this to the top. Kind of break up any clumps. Okay, remember when I said compost should be damp? You should be able to pick it up and squish it. I don't have any water drain out, but it should hold its squish, which it is. Now, this one doesn't really need water. I am going to add back the thermometer. Put a cover on it. And switch over to the other one. Be right back. Okay, pulled out part of the dirt. This one's a lot more dry. I mean, it will hold squishing it, but not well. I'm going to add the rest of the veggie matter. And I'm just going to do it like this. Now, what I've been doing with my vegetable matter is taking it in a quart-size Ziploc bag. Ooh. Compost starter. Let's give this a stir. Get this kind of mixed up. This composter I am going to add water to because it is not moist enough. Okay, that's fairly well mixed. Most of the clumps are broken up. Now, when you're doing eggshells, if you're doing it on a small version like this, you have to grind them up. And I grind up most of my compost in an old blender with a little bit of water, just enough to grind everything up. But larger composters, you wouldn't need to do that with. I'm gonna add the rest of the dirt. Be right back. Okay, this has been stirred well. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it. I'm gonna put it back in the tin first. Add a little bit of water and give it a stir. The other one I won't need to stir. No, I did shift the thermometer one to the other side. So, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great week. Bye.